I recently found a YouTube channel that makes $9,000 a month, and the coolest part? It uses only AI tools to create its videos. The cool thing is that they do it in the simplest way possible. Take a look at the numbers on this channel. 2.39 million subscribers. Their most viewed video has garnered 12 million views. These types of videos typically earn $4 to $8 per $1,000 views. Now, if we sort the videos on this channel by most popular, we see that almost all of their videos have received millions of views. I spent a full 48 hours analyzing this channel, and what I discovered is absolutely mind-blowing. They use AI tools in a way I've never seen before. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can recreate their top viral videos. While many creators spend weeks researching, filming, and editing, you can create these same videos in minutes. Now, let's see how we can do it. So guys, let's get started. The first step is to log into ChatGPT. Now let's see how you can prepare a complete video in a few seconds. For example, I told ChatGPT that I have a motivational YouTube channel that focuses on self-improvement in the style of stoicism. I want to make a video about how people can become more resilient to life's challenges. ChatGPT prepared everything for me in a few seconds, from the video text to the visual ideas and even suggestions for video improvements. So let's go through the process step by step and create a viral video. Okay guys, now that you have your video script ready, it's time to add a professional voice to your video. One of the best tools I've found recently is Speechimo.io. It's a new and user-friendly alternative to 11 Labs and is super easy for beginners. I personally tried it and I love it. The link to the site is in the video description. Be sure to try it. Register on the site. Diverse and professional voices. If you want your content to be unique, this tool will help you. Ideal for YouTubers, especially those who produce faceless content or shorts. Import the script. ChatGPT made into Speechimo.io. Now it's your turn. Try Speechimo.io right now. Produce your next video in less than a few minutes with a natural and professional voice and earn passive income from its affiliate program. If you want access to exclusive and premium voices, you can use the Creators Plan. This is a great option for those who want to produce more professional and distinctive content. Just purchase a plan for $9 per month, $99 or $39, which gives 200,000 tokens per month. The site link is in the video description. Okay guys, now that we have the text and audio for our video ready, it's time to create the right images for the video. Go to Endless.io. The link to the site is in the video description, so click on it and go to the main page of the site. Enter the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared one by one. Just copy the prepared text and paste them into the image generation section of Endless.io. The artificial intelligence will generate high-quality images exactly according to your needs in a few seconds. Download all the images you need. You can adjust the photos to the desired size and style to match your video. If the result is not what you want, just change the prompt a little or click Regenerate a few times. All you need is a quick edit and arrange the images on your video. Next, let's edit this video together and get it ready for publication. Video editing. Step by step to a professional video. Now that we have prepared all the components of our video, it is time for the final editing. This step is one of the most important parts of content production, because the final quality and attractiveness of the video depends a lot on how it is edited. In this tutorial, we will use CapCut software, which is a powerful, free, and simple tool for video editing. This software offers extensive features for cutting, adjusting audio, applying effects, and adding text, and is one of the best options for producing professional videos without the need for advanced technical knowledge. Importing files into CapCut. Open CapCut software and create a new project. Select the Import or Add File option and import the audio you downloaded from Speechimo.io. Place the audio on the timeline and make sure it is set to the right part of the video. If necessary, adjust the volume or reduce additional noise to achieve the desired audio quality. Import all the images you have generated using AI and Endless.io into the software one by one. Place each image in the timeline next to its corresponding section of the audio. To avoid clutter, arrange the images in the appropriate order. Arrange the images in a logical order that is relevant to the text of the video. If necessary, you can move the images in the timeline by dragging and dropping. Adjust the display time of each image based on the speed of speech, not too short that the viewer cannot understand it, and not too long that the video becomes boring. One of the important factors in attracting the audience and increasing the time of watching the video is the use of motion animations and special effects. To make the video look more lively and attractive, add smooth and attractive movements to the images. You can use the animation option in CapCut and give each image input and output motion effects such as fade in, slide, zoom, etc. To enhance the visual effects, use the effects available in CapCut. Lighting effects, color changes, fading, and cinematic effects can give a professional look to the video. Don't use too many effects so that the video doesn't become too crowded. After adjusting the images, it's time to edit the audio. To make the video look smoother and more professional, remove parts that have no speech or sound. If parts of the audio are too quiet or loud, use CapCut's audio settings to balance and smooth it. If necessary, use the audio enhancement feature to make the speech clearer. To make the video more interesting, add a background song that fits the video's theme. Make sure the music isn't too loud so that the speaker's voice can be heard clearly. If your video is educational or motivational, use calm, inspiring music. If your video is entertaining or emotional, use energetic, rhythmic music. Adding text or subtitles to your video can improve the viewer experience, especially if your content is for an audience that may watch without sound. Use CapCut's auto caption feature to automatically create subtitles or add important text manually. Adjust the color and size of the text so that it is legible and attractive. After completing all the steps above, save your video in the highest quality possible, 1080p or 4K. Before publishing, watch the final video once to make sure everything is set up correctly and plays smoothly. If you notice any errors, fix them before publishing. Now that we have created a professional video using AI tools and professional editing, it is time to publish it on our YouTube channel. But before that, there are a few important points that you should keep in mind. Choose a catchy and appropriate title so that more users click on your video. Add relevant descriptions and hashtags to the video so that it is better visible in YouTube searches. Design a professional thumbnail that will attract the attention of the audience. At the end of the video, encourage viewers to follow your channel, like it, and write their comments. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to be notified of the next videos. Stay tuned with us as we teach you more ways to produce professional content in future videos. Good luck until the next video.
Imagine waking up every day with a clear purpose, free from distractions and bad habits that drain your time and energy. Many people struggle with procrastination, laziness, and harmful addictions, scrolling through social media for hours, indulging in fast food, or wasting time on video games. But what if you could regain control and live a disciplined, meaningful life? The ancient Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, faced similar challenges. They mastered the art of self-discipline, teaching us how to strengthen the mind and overcome temptation. In this video, we will explore practical Stoic strategies to break free from laziness, procrastination, and destructive habits. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to take charge of your life and build lasting self-discipline. Let's begin.